you know on Triple D, I am a big fan of the Pacific Northwest, so it's always great to be back here. This time we're rolling through Spokane in an old school area known as Brown's Addition to check out a joint that's got kind of an eclectic spin on traditional pub food. This is the Elk Public House.
The mushrooms, the shetty.
The food is fantastic.
There's pork burrita.
This pub does it a little bit different.
Yeah.
It's a mainstay. Everyone will drive from all around to get here.
To scarf down what owner Brad Fossine is cranking out.
Still going in the window. We just try and make everything like if you made it at home.
Same way he's been doing it here for over a decade.
Perfect.
Since he set up shop in a 1930s era pharmacy.
Good. It's just great food done from scratch.
Careful, gumbo.
Anything on the menu, you can't go wrong.
Enjoy.
It's good, thank you.
It's a good, fun place to come down to.
Because everybody here kind of knows each other.
Everybody has a good time.
I'll get this.
Which is Brad's whole idea.
People come in and chill pub style and just get a good, decent meal.
Okay, ladies.
It's definitely pub food, but kind of expanded on that whole notion of it's got to be a certain way.
Like lamb sandwiches,
Tacos.
pork and coleslaw tacos,
Every time I come here, I have to order it.
and this fan favorite.
Barbecue chicken quesadilla.
It's incredible. Smoked onion dip. They smoke their own onions.
What are we on to, Brad?
We're gonna smoke onions for the smoked onion sauce for the barbecue chicken quesadilla.
Are we gonna mill the flour too?
We're thinking about it.
Okay, so give me the rundown.
Just gonna get these ready. Pop them in the pan. Hickory, put chips in the hotel pan. Put that on top.
Lock it in.
We just smoke them right on the stove.
It's gonna get smoky. 45 minutes to let it roll. Dude, you're serious about that. Look at the great smoke on that. No doubt about it, man. Those are smoked.
They're definitely smoked. They kind of puree better when they're a little warm. So we have our pureed smoked onions, and then we have sour cream, mayonnaise.
Nothing like a little food lube.
Yay. Little milk. Worcestershire.
What was it called?
Worcestershire. Have you ever read the label?
Worcestershire. Okay, so
right. And a
we
little-
just added in the Worcestershire.
Nice. Pepper. And a little liquid smoke. Sugar. Kosher salt.
This is just for the quesadilla.
Yep, it is.
Dude.
Yeah. Stir it up. That's all she wrote.
We'll let this marry.
That's right.
The smoked onion sauce is made.
Yep.
Now barbecue sauce.
You got it. Start out with ketchup, brown sugar, honey. We have a little liquid smoke, chicken stock, red chili flakes. Just stir that up.
We'll let that just sit there and simmer.
Yep, for half an hour.
Be ready.
Yes, sir.
Worcestershire is actually Worcestershire.
You're not supposed to get all high tech on me. Come on. Oh, so there'd be no math.
I love this guy.
Man.
I think I might have pulled something. Okay, so what are we gonna do now?
Ladle some of that barbecue sauce on there. Some of that pulled chicken, some mozzarella, a little sliced red onion, cilantro. Pop it on flat top.
All right.
We're looking good. Ready to cut it up.
Okay. So you got a little bit of the sweet and spicy going on with the barbecue sauce, and then that gets dipped into this smoked onion dip.
Yep.
Whoa! Really good. The dip, the smoke is not that fills your nose, palate shock. Can't taste anything else. Standard quesadilla, toasted, done the right way, a good amount of cheese for a dip that complements a quesadilla. It's not a salsa, so this takes the whole quesadilla thing out of the Latin flair, a whole nother direction. Boom. That rocks.
Barbecue chicken quesadilla.
It's delicious, and I love it.
It's great with the chicken and the barbecue sauce.
It's its own eclectic mix. And your smoked onion
I know. I
sauce,
put it
come
on everything here.
Put that on
I
ice
put it
cream.
in my beer.
I love mixing everything. I love hanging out here.
Table 26, please.
It's a staple in Spokane.
It's a place you want to come back to. It's a place you want to hang out.
Brother, I gotta tell you something.
It's a
Fun
pleasure.
place, perfect attitude, and the food, you do things that inspire you. We're coming back.
All right. Love to see it.
So I'm in Key Largo, Florida, and of course it's raining, but I'm right here on US 1. Now, I've heard about this place from just about everybody. They say the food is outrageous. They've got a fish market in the restaurant, but I don't know how they came up with the name. This is the Fish House.
Fried crab conch,
You take your first bite, you're hooked.
pan sauté grouper,
So phenomenally fresh.
shrimp bundles.
This is my good buddy, DJ Irie.
I've heard about it. I had no idea was this legit. If you're coming to the Keys, you don't stop at the fish house. Why'd you bother?
But that wasn't the case when Doug Brew and CJ Berwick bought this place back in '87.
You know, I didn't do a lot. 6 lunches was a big day.
So along with their son Phil, they spent their days working and their nights in a trailer out back. How did he talk you into this?
I think it was mutual, really.
Over the years, they built a big following with a revamped seafood menu.
One shrimp and octopus salad, conch chowder, one smoked fish dip.
Amazing.
It's an addictive substance.
So give me the breakdown. What are we having here?
We got some cobias, amberjack, and mahi-mahi.
All right, so what are we making now?
This is the brine for the smoked
Okay.
fish. We're gonna add some water,
Brown sugar?
brown sugar, table salt, some seasoning salt.
Okay.
Got some garlic salt, and black pepper.
All that together.
We're gonna let this brine overnight in the cooler
Okay.
and then smoke it on our smoker out back.
What is it? Who made it? And can I have it?
This is our one-of-a-kind smoke box. It's been here about 20-something years.
And what kind of wood we smoking with?
Buttonwood. It's very green, so it gives that nice smoky flavor that we're looking for.
That is awesome. How long is it gonna be on here?
About 6 to 8 hours.
Man, you really put some bark on that. All right, let's go make dip.
All right. So we have our ingredients for the smoked fish dip here.
Sour cream?
Sour cream, cream cheese. Pop this in.
I got it. Come on. A little hot sauce, little Worcestershire.
Right. So we'll add our smoked fish that's been through the processor.
Wow, that's good. That's a dusty road in Flavor Town right there, buddy.
And we'll add celery, and then we got chopped onions and jalapeno, seeds and all.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add our mixture of sour cream and cream cheese in there.
And how long are you gonna let this all set up?
Overnight in the wall can, let it chill out.
And that's how it comes out.
Exactly.
A little jalapeno, a little crunch of the onion and the celery. All that come together. Just give it a little kiss. All day, baby. All day.
It's nice and smoky, it's fresh and creamy.
Okay, so I'm eating it, man.
If you love fish, you're gonna love the Fish House.
When I came down to the Keys, this is the seafood restaurant I wanted to come to. You can't hear the seagulls, you don't see any boats, and you got a freeway in your front yard.
Right.
Yet this is probably one of the greatest seafood experiences I've had down here.
Thank you.
I'm here in Armory Square in Syracuse, New York. You see that joint right there? Shot Triple D there. It's called Kitty Hoynes. It's like the real deal Irish pub. And now I'm directly across the street. I mean, this is kind of like a Triple D double dip. This place here, I hear they make their own sauce, they make their own bread, and they make their own pasta. I mean, the possibilities are endless.
The pasta is homemade. You can just taste that fresh difference.
They have recipes that you can't get anywhere else.
Thanks to owner Karen Cortling,
Flatbread up.
who's been perfecting the menu since '82.
We had $15,000.
You started your first joint with 15 grand?
Well, it was self-service cafeterias.
Okay. It started, it morphed, it changed, and then you exploded.
Yep.
You can ask almost anybody in this town, have they been to Possibilities, and their response would be,
I love that place. This is home.
I mean, this joint's so popular, locals just call it by its first name. You call it pastas?
all
When you
the
know it that
locals
well, you just go,
do.
oh, I'm going to pastas?
Can't believe you didn't know that.
Well, now I do. Here's another insider tip. Never, and I mean never, pass on Karen's famous appetizer.
The hot tomato oil. It's a way of life here.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna start off with,
Spicy hot tomato oil.
let's fire it up.
Pure olive oil.
Okay.
Sliced garlic. Caramelize it for about 15 minutes.
So just go low and slow. Okay, so the oil has been perfumed now with the delicious garlic.
That's right.
Okay, next up,
Add our tomato puree.
just regular old tomatoes?
They're California tomatoes.
As they should be.
Salt, a little bit of honey,
Got it.
chili mixture. Next, the reserved oil.
The oil that had the garlic flavor.
Yep. We gotta get out the big guns.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Going in.
That's it.
That's it. We gotta stir our garlic back in.
Because you want to see the chunks.
That's right.
And now we're ready to taste it?
Now we're ready to taste it.
So if someone comes in here, this is what they get to kick off their meal.
That's right. This is what we're famous for.
And this is some of your bread.
That's our stretch bread.
That's crazy. Oh! I can't come back and hang out with you anymore. This is ridiculous. It just 100% reminds me of day-old spaghetti, which in my world is a very important thing. It has that same flavor. A little bit of the oil. It's very smooth. The intensity of the flavor of garlic is, of course, there. It's not overly spicy by any means. Ah, You need like a special license to serve that.
Hot oil up.
It's like nothing else.
It's absolutely amazing. The first time I had it years ago, I was addicted.
Just like begging the waitress to give that to you.
You know, it's our favorite restaurant to go to, whether it's lunch, dinner, really anything. The food's always good, so we keep coming back.
Do you think this would be what it all came to?
I didn't know where I was going with this. I just love food, you know.
Well, it comes through really well.
Thanks.
Because I do Triple D, this is what I'm trying to find. Everyday people making real handmade food, working with their family, working with their friends, working with their community, and doing what's right. Very proud of you. Congratulations. So I'm here in Southwest Minneapolis on a beautiful, sunny Minnesota day. So when I say the name to you, Green Mesquite, what kind of restaurant you thinking of? Exactly, barbecue. I say Over Easy, you think breakfast. I say Zydeco, you think it's gotta be Cajun. So what do you call a joint that is an English pub with a little Filipino flair? You're right, this is George and the Dragon.
Got a Mary salad in the window?
Something different and unique, yet down to earth and in the neighborhood.
Battered green bean.
This is like the Cheers of South Minneapolis.
Got an Asian hangover.
Filipino flair on an English pub.
Yeah.
Something you hear every day. Every day here since 2011, when this joint was opened by the Navarro family, Fred, Stacy, and Paco. They say, what kind of food is that? And you say it's...
Well, it is home cooking pretty much.
The kind of cooking that happens when fans of British culture mix it up with old family recipes.
My family is from Minnesota. Heritage is French and Irish.
Okay.
And both my parents were born and raised in the Philippines.
Got a curry in the window.
It's not just bar food, it's dinner food, it's brunch food.
Delicious food, that's for sure.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
The bacon dip. Bacon onion dip?
It's one of those dishes you can have as a starter or a meal.
All right, so let's talk about this dish.
So we'll make onion jab, which is gonna go into the bacon and onion dip. Little house oil in the pan. It's a blend of corn oil and olive oil. And then we add in sliced onions.
Sweat these down?
Yep, so they get nice and soft. Little sprinkle of salt. We're gonna sprinkle them over with some brown sugar.
Does anybody tell you that you have the voice and the calm demeanor of Barefoot Contessa? And next, I'll be adding the...
Little balsamic vinegar. And then we give it a little bit of water. We let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until all the moisture is absorbed.
Okay.
And then we cool them down.
So we've got the cooled, caramelized onions. Where's the bacon?
Sorry, man. Bacon is coming. So we start with cream cheese. We're gonna whip this until it's nice and fluffy. We're gonna add our mayonnaise, our Worcestershire sauce, a little salt, cayenne pepper, Coleman's dry mustard, Parmesan cheese.
And then the caramelized onions.
And then the
When
caramelized
is
onions
the bacon going to be coming into this? I'm calling Paco. I want to talk to my union rep.
You want to talk to the emperor?
Let this mix up. And this is a big-time favorite.
Big-time favorite. So we're gonna scoop it, top it off with Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna put bacon on it.
Cooked, cold bacon goes on top in the oven.
We're gonna bake it at 350 for about 5 minutes.
This thing is coming out to the table, a smoldering hotto.
And we're gonna finish it off with some chives.
Ooh, this is like cheddar dip-ish. That's ridiculous. You know what, this should be illegal. It's not just onions and bacon. There's much more depth. I think you know what really makes it? Is that mustard.
Secret
little tang of
ingredient.
that, better than good. Excellent, nice job.
Cool, thank you.
The bacon onion dip. You got the cream and cheese, the crunchy bacon. You can't make it exactly like you can at George and the Dragon.
Meet your new host.
Got a bacon onion dip?
It's one of those things that keeps you coming back.
We love this place because it's consistently good.
Cool English pub attitude, a 6th grade emperor, and a funky name. We have it all going on. Awesome place. Awesome place.